you. I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong.
The cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. The go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with it.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning into a hair tutorial. This hair tutorial is featuring a new company that I have never had on my channel, but y'all, I love that I got them on my channel because the hair snap, it slayed, crackle, and pop, baby. It is it. So I want y'all to get into this wig. If y'all want to see how I lay this wig down, please keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is a hair video, and today's sponsor is Worldnewhair, y'all. When I tell you they presented this box so well, it just looks so good. In this box, of course, you get the hair, but inside the hair part, you get some nails. Y'all, I wish I would have known. You get a card on instructions on how to take care of the hair. You get lashes, and you also get an extended clip to make the wig tighter. You also get wig cap, a band, and also a lash thing. I never tried those before, but I need to try it to see if it's worth the hype because a lot of people like those things. Now here's the hair. This is a 99J color hair wig, 13x4 lace front wig. It is burgundy and it is a human hair wig. It is pre-plucked, but you already know I had to put my magic touches on it and go back in and pluck it some more. The lace looks very good. The inside of the wig looks good as well. Y'all already know I cut the combs out, and yeah, let's get into this hair. Hey y'all, so I literally had to come on here and start talking because let me tell y'all, this wig that they sent me ate down, okay? My cap is on my head and I sprayed it down one time. This is the cap that they sent me. Perfect. All I did was alcohol my forehead down, sprayed it with some Gatsby glue, y'all. And what I'm about to do is I'm about to actually see how this wig cap fits on my head, but I'm gonna spray my wig cap one more time just so it can be secure because I want to wear this wig for about like 3-4 days. If I can, we're gonna lay this baby down. But look how I plucked this wig. I didn't do a plucking video, but look at this wig. And y'all know the color. Y'all seen the color already. The color is fire. But look how I plucked this wig. Look at that. Girl. You can't tell me I didn't pluck this. Girl, this wig looks so good. I tried to not pluck a lot of hairs. You know what I'm saying? And actually, I love it that way. So look at how I pluck this wig, y'all. This wig is about to eat on my head. Just straight wig back, period. I don't want to add any baby hairs. I'm going to try my best to melt this lace in my head. This is the color 99J, and the wig is a 24-inch, 250% density, and the company is Worldnewhair. I never worked with them before, and first time working with them, the hair already is everything. The part doesn't go all the way, but that's fine because I did just the middle part. I don't need to do a side, and it's just perfect for a middle part anyway. It's already pre-plucked, but y'all know I had to go back in and add my touches. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is a burgundy human hair wig. The link will be down in the description right below to this exact wig. And this is a curly lace wig. So actually what I'll do is just basically put it on my head, lay the lace down, put it on my head, and activate the curls by watering it. I also have, after I water it, I want to take a curl activator so the curls can stay defined. Y'all gonna see once I put it on. However, I did want to see what kind of lace this is. This is a 13x4 lace, and this is a HD Swiss lace. So let's go ahead and put this on our head. I want to spray this one more time on my wig cap, and then we're gonna move forward to putting this on my head. All right, so I went ahead and melted this ball cap down, y'all. Hey, look, I think this one my hair is sticking out right here. That's fine. So they put a lot of lace on here, but look at that. Oh, they put a lot of lace on there, so I had to cut some off, is what I was trying to say. This is what it's giving. It looks like the Chucky down every time I see this. Let me go actually do my cap, the makeup on my cap. Come back because I have to put this mirror on. I went ahead and put some foundation on. I use my foundation that I use for my face instead of Ruby Kisses. I feel like this one is way better than the Ruby Kisses. Okay, y'all, so this is the foundation applied to it. Do y'all see that? The melt of this, y'all. I'm about to pin this back and get to gluing this down. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Erica J Hold Me Down Watermelon Lace Glue Adhesive. I'm melt this thing on. Now, as far as glue, I did go ahead and put 3 coats on, but I just only showed y'all one side of me putting it on, and I put the rest on off camera. However, you also just want to wait till your hair is clear and go ahead and lay it down. I did also lay it down. That's because simply I can't see. I don't have a mirror in my room, but I went ahead and laid it down and then put a band on my head. Wait till it dry, and then we're gonna cut this lace off. When I tell y'all this lace so effortless, y'all look how it is melted into my skin, and the foundation color is key to when laying your lace down like that. It's really what's gonna put the icing on a cake. HD, Swiss lace, whatever lace it is, this is what's gonna make it melt. After I hot combed it, I went ahead and started cutting the lace, and when I say it melted, it melted. Yeah, when I said that this ate, do y'all see that? I had to get up and cut it because in the mirror. Okay, what was up with this right here? Okay, y'all, so with my band on, I'm about to do my makeup. Did I say this already? I think I did. I'm about to do my makeup and I'm going to come right back. Okay, y'all, time to take off this band. It melted so good. Y'all, I was in the process of doing my makeup right there, and that band was hurting so bad, so I had to take it off. So now I'm going to just take my water bottle with just water in it and spray this hair down on both sides. But right now, I'm just going to do this side. But y'all, a moment for these curls. Yes. Now that the hair is wet, what you want to do is take your Shea Miracle Moisture Intense Formula. This is the curling salon cluster, y'all. And I'm going to go ahead to lock these curls in so it can still have that wet look. Just grab some of this and put it on my hand. And just start rubbing this in here. It might dye your fingernails. And do this before you put on your clothes. Y'all, let me go change my clothes, put some clothes on, and I'm gonna come right back. The hair ate, it gave what it's supposed to give. Do y'all see that? Period. This is the hair. I did go back and hot comb it, as y'all can see. It's literally so cute. It blended perfectly with my skin tone and everything like that, y'all. I just love this look. I just doing some makeup, y'all. And I was like, you know what, I gotta get this up. Don't forget to go shop with Worldnewhair in the description right below. The link to the wig, everything will be in the description right below. Just has to come on here and show y'all how I just laid this color wig down. It's early in the morning and I haven't slept at all. I feel like I pulled a 24 hour, okay? So I gotta go and go get some sleep, but while I'm sleeping, y'all should be creeping on that site purchasing. I'll see you guys on my next video. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.